Hi and welcome to the Girlfriends Lounge. My name is Marcy and today I will be doing an unboxing for your Creative Studio subscription box. And I'm always surprised. I ordered one from, I think last week I ordered one that was April of 2022. So if you see a box that you like that's in my series, check out their channel or check out their website to see if they still have it available. So in this, in the subscription box, you get a thank you note, and it usually has something to do with the theme. So let's unbox. So here's a lot of little, this will be a good one for labels and flags. So what I'll do is I'll just kind of give you an overview of everything that's in here, and then I'll go through and show you one by one after the packaging is off. Okay, so let me remove all of the packaging and I'll be right back. Okay, so here is everything unpackaged. I'll go through the stamps first. Let's see if I can take away the glare. So you get a clear stamp set. And I think this is another stamp. I'm always impressed with the amount of stamps that you get in these boxes. So a block stamp. And then there is washi tape, but I didn't. Okay, so here is the masking tape. And let's see if we can open this. And so you typically get a nice roll. And this is giving me a Tim Holtz vibe. Okay, so there's the washi tape. Let's do this one. So this is an alphabet sticker, and it's not clear, but you usually get one of these in every box that is part of the theme, and they are stickers. And then this is another staple of the box, typically, and these are transparent. Then there is a little, sometimes these are stickers, sometimes they're paper. I do believe these are stickers, so let's test it out. And yes, it is transparent. And so you get a nice supply of those. These are good for just that little extra something that you need on your page. Okay, and then let's see. These have a lot of little pieces, so I'm going to go through. I'll clear this off and then I'll just bring in one at a time. Okay, so these are stickers, and you get a nice variety of like headline and that goes there. Okay, so it looks like you get 2 each. Hopefully that's the name of a horse. And so there's like little ads. There's another one of those burpee seeds. Hopefully I'm in view. And then there are just a variety of sizes. I like that you get multiples. And that one was already in there. So let's see what else we have. Baking powder. These packs are always good for a variety. Like it might be, like I'm thinking this one is like a newsprint package or a subscription box. There's lots of different labels and things to just add to a page. Sometimes it just needs a little something. There we go. And here's the last few. So there's that set. Let me clear this to the side and I'll be back with the next. Okay, so here is this set. I think they were all, I didn't see any duplicates when I was just kind of spreading them out here. So they're just kind of collage type images. And then there are, oh, this would be a good for like a junk journal, like a mystery. So you have some letters here. Let's see if they are stickers or paper. It kind of feels like a sticker, but yes, it's a sticker. So you get some words and then you get a bunch of alphabets in various sizes. There's some more words. Books. So, okay, this one is labels. And let's spread these out a little bit. You get a nice variety. It is a thicker cardstock. I don't think it's a sticker. Yeah, it's just, these are just die cuts. So, am I in frame there? Sorry about that. Did not mean to wiggle that. So you get some tags. These are always pretty. Another tag and a label. It's a nice little set. Some blank ones. Some numbers. These are always good for like filled notes or specimen cards. Here's another label, or a tag, sorry. I don't know what it is. And there's some ticket stubs. There is a tiny one. Another number, blank. And then this one has some like thank you, journal, good times, focus on the good, a filled note, and a little ticket stub, and then 2 dates. Okay, and this is another notes collection series. Here are the options that you get. This is another one of those Mo card brands that I've seen on Temu, and Amazon also has them. This one is labeled Smile Every Day and Notes Collection Series. I keep these because I use them as ephemera in my junk journals. So let's see off the bat if it's paper or if it's a sticker, and it looks like it's paper. So these are just, you would glue these on. And there's some labels, tags. There's a nice selection of these. I like when they have blank ones like this that can be portrait or landscape. That is a little dented there, but that's okay. Glue fixes everything. Yep, those, lots of labels. Love that. It is a lightweight copy paper fill. And here's more tags. And then let's see what's here. Here's some more tags. Some numbers. Let's do, I think the tags are still, there's still more tags. Another number. Oh shoot. Let's do that again. There's those. And then we have some more oval, and then these are nice for like filled notes and just adding little pieces to pocket or just image page in your junk journal that you're creating. Here's another packaging. Let's see with this one. It's called Old Newspaper. And here is the options you receive. I keep those, and these have, let's see, is it all vellum? No, so some are vellum and some are paper. And there is quite a few here. So let's see. Sometimes it might be a solid piece of paper, and then it has vellum attached in the same print. So these look like they're just colored paper, and then those are different colors. Okay, and then we have the vellum that goes with that. Okay, good. And then the vellum that goes with this one maybe. And then there's more paper. You get 2 each. And then it looks like the vellum is the same. So that looks like it goes there. Here's another vellum piece, and then there's goes back to the paper. and then vellum. Oh. This one looks like it goes with that. And then this one looks like it goes with the white, and then we're back at the paper. So not all of them have, it appears that not all of them have vellum paper with it, which is fine. I like the variety, I like the option. I love getting these boxes for the versatility. I find that the boxes have a little bit of everything in them, so which is nice, because if you were to individually purchase each of the items, that could get costly. So okay, and I think this is the last item. So this is the Your Creative Studio paper, and this is the pack that you get. So you get 6 stickers, 6 vellum, 6 art, and 6 pattern. It's the same pattern, so let me show you overall. It's the same pattern with each type of paper. So what I'll do is I'll go through the paper, and then I'll go through the vellum so you could see. Because honestly, it's the same image. Some are full sticker sheets and some are just paper. And then this goes into the same print, but it's this is probably a lightweight copy paper. And then there's an option that has like a textured, almost like a linen fill resume paper. But it's the same image. And then the vellum. There's that, and then the last 2. Okay, thank you for watching my channel. Please like and subscribe if you like what you're seeing. I have probably about 10 more boxes from Your Creative Studio that I'm going to be unboxing. So I'll put all of those in a series. So again, thank you for watching, and I appreciate it so much. Have a magnificent day, and I will see you soon. Bye.